In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send USDT from Okx to Binance. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or simply moving funds for trading, transferring cryptocurrencies between exchanges is a common task. Let's walk through the entire process to ensure you do it smoothly and safely. First, we need to log into your Okx account. Make sure you're using a secure device and a safe network to protect your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Assets section. This is where all your holdings are listed, and from here, you can manage them. Find USDT in the list of cryptocurrencies. If you have a significant number of tokens, it might be easier to use the search bar to locate USDT quickly. With USDT located, we want to go ahead and click on the Withdraw button next to it. This will take you to the withdrawal interface. Now, this is an important step where many people get overwhelmed, but don't worry, we will take it slow. Next, we'll head over to the Binance platform. Log into your Binance account with the same mindfulness of security. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, and then to the Fiat and Spot subsection where you'll find your deposit options. Here, search for USDT, just like we did in Okx. Beside USDT, you'll see a deposit button. Click on it, and this will prompt a deposit address to appear. Make sure to select the correct network. This will typically be either ERC20, TRC20, or Binance Smart Chain, depending on your previous selections and fee considerations. Make careful note of this address as this will be the recipient for your transfer from Okx. Returning to Okx, paste the deposit address from Binance into the withdrawal dialog. Double-check the network matches the one you selected earlier on Binance. This step is crucial as mistakes in network selection or address entry can lead to lost funds. Also, adjust the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Remember that exchanges may charge a fee for transferring currencies, so ensure that you have enough USDT to cover this before finalizing your transfer. Once you have carefully verified the address and the network, it's time to confirm and initiate the transfer. You might be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process, so have your mobile device ready to input the verification code. After confirming everything, click that Withdraw button to complete your transaction. Typically, after you initiate the transfer, you might receive a confirmation email. Make sure all details are accurate when you check, ensuring everything is as it should be. Now, all you have to do is wait for the transaction to be processed. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Sending USDT from Okx to Binance is all about precise details and careful verification. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be able to see your USDT balance in Binance under your Fiat and Spot wallet, ready to be traded or held based on your strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the key to successful cryptocurrency trading is always paying attention to the details. Until next time, keep your investments secure.